Some other considerations that any professional service business should be concerned with is can spam. And these are somewhat intertwined with intellectual property. They're somewhat intangible as well, and we do work with our clients on them. But can spam is essentially adding people to your mailing list. You can't, if you go to a networking event and meet someone, you can't just add them to your monthly newsletter or drip campaign. You must actually have their acceptance to be added to that. That's why you'll see opt-in pages, and sometimes there's the double opt-in where after you opt in on one page, it sends you an email to click to confirm. This is very important also if you're sharing lists or buying a practice from someone. You might not have permission to just add those emails to your list if it's not done properly. So be very careful when you're adding emails to your mailing list or newsletter. Make sure that you have the right to actually add them to it. Websites, as I mentioned before, some of the biggest issues I see are with using others' photographs. And especially there's metadata in those photographs, and they have crawlers that crawl the websites that actually can catch your use of someone else's photo, and then they pretty much automated the whole system to just send you a cease and desist for an outrageous sum of money. So be very careful what you're putting up on your website. And then another issue is just endorsements, reviews, patient reviews. They have to be accurate. They cannot be false. And if someone says they're a patient, they generally should be a patient, as well as if you're paying someone or giving them any sort of financial benefit, you generally have to disclose that. And I mean, if you're giving them a financial benefit or paying them to write a review on your website or on Google, on Facebook, you need to disclose that they're being paid. And so do they need to be disclosed that they're being paid as well.